Hello everyone, welcome to another semester at sea video. I'm filming the last ship week in my life, which is really sad, but it's gonna be a good one. There's a lot of stuff happening, a lot of last moments. We went to global studies this morning. It was our last class. We already took our exam before India. It was pretty much just a wrap up of the class. Each of the professors talked to us, and one of them, Tom Taylor, got a little bit choked up, so we all got a little sad this morning. We also had a little meditation session in global this morning. After that, I went outside and it got really hot, so then we went to Berlin, and then we are currently dumping waste from the ship, so it smells really, really bad. Also, I lost my MacBook charger. The good thing is I only have one exam today, and then I'm pretty much done. I had an essay due for my field class in India, but I wrote it on my phone this morning, and then I finished up my documentary project last night before I realized I didn't have my charger. So it sucks that I lost it, but it's good that it's at the end of the voyage and I don't have that much work left to do. Okay, going to International Mass Comm for the last time. We have our exam today, and then we're done.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way.
That's kind of good. I want to really tell us what we're doing. We're doing a boot scoot and boogie. So Reagan and Maddie organized this little dance for tonight, and it's country music. My first boot scoot and boogie ever. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Reagan's teaching the Cotton Eye jump.
Yeah, sorry. Front tap, side.
By the end of our talk, I'm feeling just fine. You and I will always know where we belong. This ain't no ordinary love we got going on.
I'm so hot. Thank you, Madison and Reagan, for playing.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. Just give me a...
Hello everyone, it's another day on SAS. Haven't had any classes today because I am done with school, so I have just been pretty much chilling all day. I've been journaling, editing a little bit, and map signing has officially started. Taylor drew our little logo on her map. It looks really good. Maddie's been doing calligraphy on the whole ship's maps. She's busy over there doing some commission work. Also, we found out today that it's chicken nugget night, and I'm very excited. I hope that it lives up to its expectations. We also found out today that the spring voyage, they are not going to Jordan anymore, which is really sad. I'm so sorry.
On behalf of Voyage 130, we apologize.
Okay, we're at dinner, and it's a very exciting one. We have chicken nuggets tonight. And fries. That's the best part. And yet you still got pasta. Oh my. Reagan's got her sauces over here.
I love my sauces.
Oh my god. This is another Reagan takeover. Megan is getting her favorite cake right now. Show her. It's a pear cake, and it's really good. Oh, peach. Yes, peach cake, and it's really good. Oh, there you are.
It's so normalized that all of you vlog, but like the fact that I'm gonna go back home and people are not gonna vlog.
Okay, it is World Cup final time. They are streaming it in the Union. And it was buffering a lot, but it's actually really good now, so hopefully it'll stay that way. some meditating. Okay, so basically Argentina was winning 3-2, and then France got a kick, and then it froze right before it. So we didn't see what happened, but someone looked it up and said that they scored. So now it's tied at the very end of the game. Addie's taking us somewhere.
Oh, what is this?
Oh.
Stop it. Excuse to get you guys out of Berlin. 4 hours we were sitting in there. Oh my god.
Currently watching the sunset. This is our second to last sunset on SAS, which is really sad.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Alright, dinner tonight is Lido Grill. This is the last time that we're getting it on the voyage because our account's closed tomorrow. So sad, but I got a burger and Maddie and I shared some fries and we ate them so fast. This is so cool!
Mom and Dad are here for your big day. I'm Dad, she's Mom. We walked you all the way here from your room. We watched you grow up and we picked up your little diploma. She's doing great things. She's moving on to bigger and better things. We're so excited to see what the future holds for her. Mom and Dad are patiently waiting for our baby girl to walk across the stage. She's in the library right now getting ready. I have my camera to take pictures of her. And we got front row. We were not getting back. We were not even kidding. We got front row. They're officially playing the graduating music. I don't know if you're coming out yet or not. We have the whole family here. We have Massey and Taylor back there. Dad and Sophia is right there. I even have a dad's sweatshirt on. I know, I'm gonna close. Yeah!
Just take it all in and breathe. 'Cause it's gonna be the time of your life. You don't have to do it right. Might get shocked with brand new cultures. Your assumptions will be tortured. You might question your perspective and have different people test and get ready for A and B grades. There's no sense of time here. Not a single weekend. Only one day off to shake your head.
So at this time, I would like to recognize and honor the fall 2022 graduates. You have all worked hard to get to this moment, and your SAS family wishes you all the best in your future endeavors. Paul McMahon.
And now
Are they going to
something
recognize
in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
As we sail upon the shore, and we look out across the sea, to the many lands that we explore, we're part of one big family.
last full day on the ship, and we have a gorgeous sunrise to start the day. Morning, we are up eating breakfast at Lido. Feeling a little sick, but at least it's the end of the voyage, so it's okay. But here's our breakfast.
Help sassers, and we're going to carry that through all the way to the end. So we're going to help each other get our luggage down the stairwells, and you are going to bring your luggage forward to the front of the ship, the stairwell at the front of the ship, and then bring it down to deck 3. You have a unique opportunity with the luggage process. You get to go into the crew area. Ooh. So a little bit of a bonus here.
Alright, we just put our luggage out here, and we're gonna have to take it down ourselves. Okay, we just took all of our luggage down. It was really nice because all the guys were helping down there, so it wasn't too much of a mess. But we also got our last bill today. It has everything that we bought on the voyage, so it shows us our total amount, which actually isn't too bad. I did really good at not overspending at the pool bar. But yeah, our last bill. It is our last lunch ever on the ship, and we have mac and cheese. Huh?
The mac and cheese is
no. She's like, it's not good. Oh, I like it.
This is good. The meatball isn't bad.
Yummy.
I'm bugging the mac and cheese. You like the meatball? The dry meatball?
No, my favorite part is the jelly.
Hey guys, this is one of the last vlogs you'll ever get from me. I'm really sad that I'll never be seeing this camera again. Actually, I probably will because I'll come visit Megan. We just had our last lunch in Berlin, and it's so sad. I can't believe my baby girl is gonna she's gonna be off on her own. My baby girl. Don't talk to your father like that. You can see the water. Woo!
Fall back.